Fifth one, write a Python program to read a file line by line and store it into a list. Okay, so to read a file from the to read a text from the file and have to convert that into list and display it on the terminal. Okay, so there is already list of text is there here, so we have to convert into the list here, and this text we have to convert this list into a text and display it on the terminal. So read mode. Okay, with read mode we can do that. Simple with open list.text. Which mode? Read mode. Read mode as if. Okay, so we have to write read lines method here. Read lines method convert the given text into a list here. Okay, see read lines method return type is list here. Okay, so print. Okay, some variable you have to print here, so we are printing x here. Okay, here x is equal to f dot read lines. So check it here, output. See tada slash n. If you want to remove this slash n means you have to use strip. You have to use what strip method here. L is equal to x dot strip method is there. Okay, start for x in so here x in x. Well, I think if you for confusion you will take y variable here, y dot strip for y in x. Okay, y in x, simple one. X means this list here and print l. Okay, strip method here, string here, definition returns a copy of string with leading and trailing white spaces removed here. Okay, strip method is simple. Y dot strip here, just take the output here. Okay, we have to write this maybe. See Tata 1948 Hyundai Maruti. Okay, converted in the given into the list here. Okay, converted into line by line, converted into the list here. Okay, for read lines method, further we have to use read lines method. Read method reads the complete text from the text file, where read lines method read line by line and return in list format here. Okay.